Dear students, in our last class we have discussed about cubes. So in last class we have discussed how to find the cube of a number. So here in this section we shall discuss about how to find the cube root of a number. So let us discuss about that. So if a question is given, the volume of a cube is equal to 125 centimeter cube. 125 centimeter cube, the volume of a cube. So to find the side of that cube, we have to find a number such that whose cube is 125 centimeter cube. So that number is 5. So that means 5 cube is equal to 125. So here we can write that the cube root of 125 so is equal to 5. So this symbol is known as cube root symbol. So if in our previous class we have discussed that 2 cube is equal to 8, 6 cube is equal to 216. So like this. So here like square root, cube root also the inverse operation of finding the cube. So that means cube root of 8 is equal to 2. So here cube root of 216 is equal to 6. So to find the cube root of a number, we shall discuss about two methods. So let us discuss that. Let us find out the cube root of 3375. So here we have to factorize 3375. So this is divisible by 3. Again this is divisible by 3. Then 3. 3 2 are 6. 3 5. Then 5. This is 25. Then 5 5. So 3375 is equal to 3 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 3, 5 multiplied with 5. So this is equal to 3 to the power 3 or 3 cube multiplied with 5 cube. Or this can be written as 3 multiplied with 5 cube. So that is equal to 15 cube. So 3375 is equal to 15 cube. So to find the cube root of a number, we have to find such a number whose cube is that number. So this implies cube root of 3375 is equal to 15. So let us solve some examples by using this prime factorization method. Here is an example. Find the cube root of 8000. We have to find the cube root by using the prime factorization method as we are doing to find out the square root of a number. So this is 8000. So divisible by 2, that is 4000, then 2, 2000, then 2, 1000, then 2, 500, then 2, 250, then 2, 125, then 5, 25, 5, 5. So 8000 is equal to, how many 2's are there? 6. So you have to write this as multiplied with 5, multiplied with 5, multiplied with. As we are doing in case of square root, we were making pair of factors. So here we should group the factors into 3 like this. So from a group we have to take a factor to finding the cube root. So cube root of 8000 is equal to 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 5. From 3 factors we have to take 1 factor. So this is equal to 20. So cube root of 8000 is equal to 20. Let us take a next example. 13,824. We have to find the cube root by method of prime factorization. So first you factorize 13824. So this is divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12. 9 1 2. Then 2 3 5 6. Then 2 1 7 2 8. Then 2 8 are 16. 8 6 4. Then 2 4 3 2. Then 2 2 are 1. Then 6. Then 2 1 0 8. Then 2 5 4. Then divisible by 2, that is 27. Then 3. So 13,824 is equal to, how many 2's are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 is equal to 2 multiplied with 2. So here you have to write 9 factors. Multiplied with 3, multiplied with 3, multiplied with 3. So to find the cube root of 13,824, we have to group them into 3 factors. So from a group, we have to take 1 factor. So 2 multiplied with 2, multiplied with 2, multiplied with 3. So this is equal to 24. So the cube root of 13,824 is equal to 24. So let us discuss how to estimate the cube root of a cube number. That means of a perfect cube. So here a number is given 857375. We have to estimate the cube root of this perfect cube. So here we will not apply the prime factorization method. Only we have to estimate. So first your duty is to group the digits into 3. So like this is a group and this is a group. From right side, from ones place digit, you have to group the digits into 3 digits. So here I have grouped, so there are 2 groups. So that means the cube root of this number has 2 digits. So here in place the first group is our 375. So the ones place is 5. So 5 is the cube of that number who has the ones place digit 5. So that means the ones place digit of the cube root should be 5. Then 857. So you have to choose a number so that the number's cube is less than 857. That means we know 7 cube is equal to 9 cube. 9 cube is equal to 729 and 10 cube is equal to 1000. So here 857 lies between 9 cube and 10 cube. So we have to take the digit which is less than, whose cube is less than this 857. So we have to take 95. So 95 is the cube root of this number. That means cube root of 857375 is equal to 95. So let us check whether the cube root of this number, what we have estimated here 95, whether this is the correct answer or not by the method of prime factorization method. So this is 857375. We have to factorize it. So it is divisible by 5. So 5 1, 5 7 35. Then 1, 5 4, 5 7 5. Then it is also divisible by 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 4. Then 5 2, 5 9 5. Then again 5. This is 5 6 are 30, 5 8, 40, 5 5, then 9. Then it is divisible by 90. So 19 3s are 57, then 19 6, so this is 361, then 9 till 90. So 857,375 is equal to 5 multiplied with 5 multiplied with 5, 19 multiplied with 19 multiplied with 19. So cube root of 857,375 is equal to, we have to take one factor from three factors. So 5 multiplied with 19, this is equal to 95. So our estimation was correct. So this is cube root of, this number is 95. Next example, find the cube root of 17,576 by estimation. So if the question is asked to find the cube root by the method of estimation, that number must be a perfect cube. So here 17576. So first step is we have to group the digits of this number into 3 digits from the ones place. So here I have grouped like this. Here two digits are there, so they will make a group. So from 576 we have to find a digit. So here ones place is 6. So whose cube has the ones place 6? And the 6, we know that 6 cube is 216. So like this, it has a cube root whose ones digit is 6. So from first group I have taken 6. Then next group is 17. So I have to find a number whose cube root is less than 17. So we know that 1 cube is equal to 1, 2 cube is equal to 8, 3 cube is equal to 27. So here 2 cube is equal to 8. So this is less than 17. But 3 cube is greater than 17. So here I will take 2. So 17,576, the cube root is 26. So let us check it or verify it by the method of prime factorization method. So 17,576. So this is divisible by 2. So 2 8s are 16, 7, 8, 8. Then 2, 4, 3, 2, 9, 4. Then 2, 2 2s are 4, 1, 2 9s are 18, then 7. Then it is divisible, it is not divisible by 3, 5. So let us 13. So 13 divisible by 13, and this is 169. Then again it is divisible by 13, so 13. So 17576 is equal to prime factorization 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 13, 13 multiplied with 13. So cube root of 17576 is equal to, we have to group like this. So 2 multiplied with 13, that is equal to 26. So we have verified the result. So our estimation was right. So in this way you can find out the cube root of a number.